Hey everybody, Shu and April here. We are at Big Brook Park in Marlboro, New Jersey, and this location, lots of trails, like a really long trail for bikers, stuff like that. But the coolest thing is, you'll notice we have a bucket here, some sifters. This location here is known for the dinosaur bones, like the teeth and stuff like that, from all types of fish. You can see out here, way out there is where we gotta go to. But we're taking the e-bikes. That's gonna make it so much easier. So let's see what we can find. Well, we just got up this little spot here, and I went to go set my stuff down, and right next to it, shark's tooth. So I think we're in the right place here. So we're gonna see what we can find.
You don't want to use your yellow bucket?
Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and pack it up. We just did a little shark's tooth digging, and if you're in this area and you see this embankment with this tree going across, this is a good place to find them. So give me a minute and we're gonna get all cleaned up and dried up, and I'll show you the teeth that I found.